Welcome back to my channel. Today on Tony Time, I'm going to show you how to make granola. Alrighty, so for this recipe you will need the following ingredients. As an option I use the white chocolate bits. You can use dark or milk chocolate. Alrighty, so the core ingredients, I use two types of nuts. So there's pecans, I crush them up before I combine them in the mix. And the sliced almonds, they work better when they are sliced, so you don't have to do as much work with combining ingredients. Also, you will need cinnamon. I keep that in the jar with my other spices. My go-to honey is the pure Aussie honey, so I just use that one. It's the home brand one. Also, you will need rolled oats. So this packet is about $1.80 from Woolies or Coles. I think you can make about 2 mixes with this. And this is also the coconut oil that I use to combine the ingredients with the honey. Step 1, in a mixing bowl, add some honey. I like to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey. Alrighty, so add into the bowl 3 to 4 tablespoons of cinnamon. I do add a lot in later as well, but I'm pretty generous. So the last stage to the core ingredients, add in half a cup of coconut oil to the bowl. If it has gone hard because of the cold, put it in the micro for 30 seconds and then it should be runny enough to combine. So just combine all those ingredients together in the bowl, mixing those flavors together. Add into another mixing bowl 3 cups of rolled oats. I'm not very good at this, so I just kind of wing it, but again, very generous. What you're going to do now is add into the mixing bowl the rolled oats. Do it slowly so you combine all the ingredients evenly, and then they're all coated in the coconut oil and honey. This is optional, but I do add more cinnamon to the bowl, so it's about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, and combine all the ingredients again. It is optional, but I do add more honey to the mix just so everything is coated properly and evenly. Add the sliced almonds to the mixing bowl and combine all the ingredients well. Okay, so this is the stage where I add the pecans to the mix. I did crush them up previously by using a rolling pin and just crushing up the nuts inside the bag. This is optional though, you can have them full size, I guess. I do add more honey to this just to make sure all the ingredients are combining well. Make sure you're scraping off the bottom of the bowl. What I do is go over and combine again. I get my hands in there and just lump everything together so when it comes out of the oven it does come out a more crunchy texture. She ready. Okay, so line the tray with the contents of the bowl. Make sure that the mixture is all flat and laid out evenly. So at this point the granola is cooking in the oven. I have it at 140 degrees and I check it every 2 to 3 minutes so it cooks evenly and nothing burns. So your granola would have turned a light brown color and then you can take it out of the oven. Leave it to cool. Once it's cooled down, add in the white chocolate bits and serve into your jar for storing purposes.